so do we have to be this far back for it to work? Okay. All right. So we are going to replant the elephant ears today. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, say it to the camera.
Oh, you do it on camera.
Okay. You want me to do it or you want to do it?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. So we are...
Planting elephant ears.
Yes! It's so silly. We're replanting the elephant ears. And it's still going in and out.
Mine.
This is yours, but show them what you did. He ripped it. He ripped it. But you still have this one. Don't pull on it. You're going to rip it.
I know it.
You are. You're going to rip it again. You have to be nice to the plant. No. No. You have to be nice.
Mommy.
Yes?
I have that in the
You have that? You have that in Miss Erica's class?
Yeah.
Pretty, right? All right, and he's... No, don't pull it. Hey, you have to be nice to the plants, okay? Okay. What are you doing here? Here. Okay. So, you chose this one, and you chose this potter, right? Well, that pot. It's hot out here.
I need water.
You need water? Yeah, it's hot. Here you go, bud.
No.
Not for the not for the plants yet. We'll do that in a minute. Okay?
Mommy,
Yes.
look.
I know. I got that spoon for you to dig a little bit of dirt.
Oh. I need this first.
You need what first? To drink?
No, that one.
Okay. Good? Okay. So, we're going to... Hey, you okay, bud?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mommy,
Yes?
I want to hold. It's clean, Mom.
It's not clean enough to put in your mouth. No, it's been digging in dirt. We use that spoon for dirt now.
Mom, it's clean.
It's not clean. It's been in dirt.
It's clean.
No, it looks clean, but it's not clean, bud. It's been in dirt.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take, this is yours, right? This one's yours.
What happened, Mom? A red?
Gotta get it.
A red?
Stay.
A red?
Right.
A red?
Yeah, we're going to do it just like this.